In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Evernote. So let's get started right away. First, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in evernote.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Evernote. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, simply click on Sign Up for Free. Now you have three options. You can either choose a free account or a personal as well as professional one. Make sure you go through all of the features offered by each package and click on the appropriate button to get started with signing up. You will now be asked to enter your email address and your password. So just go ahead and type in your email address and then enter your desired password. Now click on the Continue button and this will proceed with signing you up. You may be shown a few offers, so you can skip this for now by clicking on the Close button. Now you will be welcomed to the Evernote platform. You will be asked a few questions to select your desired answer and then simply scroll through the next button. You can skip through the free trial by clicking on the Close button. And now you will be taken to your newly created account with Evernote. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Evernote. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.